To most people, Johnson Valley just looks like an empty corner of the Mojave Desert. To us off-roaders, it is a whole lot more than just a bunch of sand and rocks. That's why we have to fight to protect it. Johnson Valley is home to one of the largest off-road motorsports events in the entire world, which brings in over 100,000 spectators to the lake bed every single year and pumps over $34 million into the local economy. And furthermore, it's become a place where people like me have built traditions. We go out there for holidays, we spend time with our families out there. It's just part of our way of life. So that's why we have to be on our toes and be ready to fight for it, because there is a fight going on right now to save Johnson Valley from being annexed by the military. There's a lot of great people leading this charge right now, but a great place to start would be following Blue Ribbon Coalition so you can stay up to date on the latest news.